All right, so what the 3 blinking up arrow, 2 blinking down arrow, repeating error code is travel module kit. Got it from LiftMaster. It's 041D8071-4. And much to my surprise, there's actually 2 units in here, 2 different modules. Okay, so it comes with 041A7114-7, and it comes with the 041D8071-4. So you just pick the one that goes into your 8550W garage door opener. Okay, we're going to unplug the power. And we have to remove the battery because this has battery backup. Take the battery out. So we have all the screws removed. So I'm going to bring this out. I'm going to try to tip it down, but it hangs up on something, and what it's hanging up on is there is a little pin here. So I got to get in here with a screwdriver just to get it to clear that little pin. And then there's another little alignment pin on this side. Let's get it to clear that. And then it comes down, and then I can get it off of there this way. All right, step 1 is to disconnect the wiring harness. Okay, there it is. The wires are on a little hook there. So I just unhooked the wires off of this hook. Okay, so for this module, there's only 2 screws that get removed. It's this screw and that screw. This plate does not get removed. That's for the other module, the 041D8071-4. This module, the 041A7114-7, there's only 2 screws. So we're going to take the 2 screws out for this module. Okay, so we have to kind of spin this a little bit to make it line up. Okay, it lines up. Gonna get these back in there. Okay, and then we reattach the wiring harness, making sure that we get all the pins in the right places here so that we're not too far this way or too far that way. All right, we got all the pins in there. Let's hook those wires up on that little plastic hook there. Just like that. Okay, let's set the limits and see if the error code goes away, because the error code does not go away when I put power back to it. So I still get 2 down and 3 up. which is the travel module. So to set the limits, button in the middle, that's the program button. So I'm going to hit that, okay? And you hold it down. I can tell already it's working more like it's supposed to. And then you can stop, and you can go and stop and go. So I'm going to bring it to the point where it does not quite hit the end stop. Okay, right there. I'm going to hit the black button, the program. Okay, now it wants the bottom limit. Okay, right there. Now hit this. Hey, it's working. Okay, hit that. Okay, so that's it. Error code is gone. All right, so let's try the remote. All right, I don't like the way the limits are set. I'm going to do the process again because it hits this top one a little hard. And I think my limits are set a little long in each direction. So I'm going to reprogram it. So with the garage door down, I'm going to hit the black program button. Okay, up arrow's blinking. I'm going to hold that down until the door gets close to where I want it to be. Okay, I can let go, and then I can just do short presses, and it'll just move it slowly a little bit. Okay, I think I'm just going to go right there. I'm going to hit program, go down. All right, that looks good. Hit the program button, do a test run. Nice, okay. There we go. All right. That's it. I'm going to put the light bulbs back in, and this is done.